Okay, so welcome to the blog IT Explore channel, and in previously we have learned so far about patching, software deployment, inventory, right, agent, how we deploy the agent, right, and there are few stuff which are left. Maybe I can tell you those part into this video. So as I told you that you will not be able to patch one machine, but you may be patching more than one machine, or maybe you will be patching 100 or thousands machine, right? So to do that, you go to admin option, create a group, a custom group, and you can give a name of that group. Okay, so you can create a group like patching wave 1, okay, wave test, or you can say like, or you can add your test servers like this. Okay, and maybe you can also, if you want, you can import your all computers into one go, or maybe you can use your Active Directory domain controller, from where you can from the OU you can click on this, and particular OU computers will be added automatically. Click on create on this group, and you will see all servers in this group. You can see members like one, and if you want to patch this group, so you just need to go into patch section, go here in systems, okay, and or maybe into patch, and let's suppose you want to install this patch. Click on this, push this patch, and you can give a configuration name here like wave 1, okay, and now you don't need to give one computer, you can give multiple computers at one go, because you are using the group now this time. Okay, so now you can select this one, okay, like AV test, right? Yes, you can click on AV test, and then you can click on filter again. Okay, now click on group, and then you can select a patching wave group like this, and the similar process will remain same. Okay, so you can click on deploy, and your patches will be deployed. So this is the benefit of the groups, right? What you have custom groups, right? So under in custom group, it is not that you can create a group of computers, you can also create a group of users, right? You can select multiple users. You can see 2 users, right, which are coming from domain controller, right? You can select an OU from the domain itself, and you can select your user. So you can create a group for users as well. Okay, so now coming on to other parts, right? So like you can go to this tool section, right? Because I told you this is very helpful tool. So you can see remote control, system manager, remote shutdown, wake on LAN, chat, right? So we'll go one by one. So remote control means you can take a remote control of this machine. So let's suppose I want to take control of this machine. I can click on this, and if I click on this, it will initiate a remote control of this machine. Okay, so sometime it depends on your connection speed, sometime it is slow, sometime it is not slow, right? You will be getting a message on your screen. Okay, so a second. Okay, so it is for which system? It is for 01. Okay, so we have to go into 01 and click on this 01, and we need to log in this first, so that we can try. And because it will prompt an error, since this is a domain controller, might not get a prompt here. Okay, but again we can try connecting again. Yes, and we can try again connecting. Click on administrator, say test. Okay, and maybe this time if we can get this one, this yes or no prompt. Okay, so sometime it depends on your console. Okay, sending request to agent, and if this request come to here, then it will prompt us for yes and no. Okay, so you can select yes and no, and your computer connection will be coming up. Okay, so you can like connect to this one also. Linux also you can connect using this. Okay, so the connectivity will also, you can take connectivity of Linux machine also. Okay, so like this. Okay, go to console and see if session will come, because it depends on the inbound connection also, right? And there are by default ports, like which normally this tool is normally works on 443 and 83 and 84 port, 83 84 port, which is TCP, right? So it will take connection. Since it is VMware environment and there are main restrictions, so this may not be work. Okay, this may not work on this environment. Okay, so I'm closing this, but coming to another tool, which is System Manager. So you can manage a system. Click on this and you can do so many things. So you can click on command prompt, right? So it will open a command prompt of the end machine, right? Like you can see host name here and you will see server 101. Okay, you can run the PowerShell also similar to that way, and there are multiple options. So as I told you, if you are not able to log in on machine and there is some domain related issue, you can add your user and click on adding into groups, right? Similar to other tasks like software, you can see users, you can see, right? There are so many things which you can do from this. Okay, so I think my connection I got the connection screen now. Okay, it was delay, but session was ended now. Okay, so you can see so many things you can do, and similarly to remote shutdown also option there, right? You can put your machine shutdown, and you can put your machine shutdown mode as a schedule as well. So this option is available. Like if you click on restart, if you click on schedule, right? If you click on schedule shutdown or restart, you can do it from this side. Okay, so let's suppose shutdown, and you can give information here, and you can user will be prompted as per this one. So by this message, user will be able to get 3 prompts, and we can give a time of 2 hours or up to your organization need, and then user can cancel this prompt for restart up to 3 times, and on 3rd time it will get a reboot. Okay, so this time will actually go on. So you can see I have already given the commands for this one, right? So this restart you can see. Okay, so this basically schedule restart is the same. You can go here, right? And you can go into system. You can do anything from here also, similar to this. Okay, so like if you select this, click on this schedule restart, and then you can select the option restart, shutdown, or you can select a date also. Like here you can configure the schedule when you want to reboot or when you want to perform that action what is mentioned above: shutdown, restart, hibernate, or these options. Okay, so this option is very useful. Wake on LAN is also very useful option, but your LAN should be able to wake up your computer, because it will connect, it will throw one message over the network, and it will tell your network card to boot up your machine. Okay, so if your machine is in hibernating mode or anything, it will wake up that machine. Simple option. Okay, and other than that, device control, this is, I think this will be comes under security. So when we'll go through the security part, we'll actually go through this. Okay, but you can apply the policy, right? You can create a policy like USB read only or anything. You can create a policy, right, for Windows, and you can deploy even from this console, right? You can create a group. It is similar to patch group what you created, and it will behave in the same manner. Okay, so and you can get a report also. Okay, so let's suppose you can see patch report if you want to see patch and threats report. So if you say execute assist, okay, so if you download this, okay, view generated reports, there is no report. Inventory report is there by OS. Okay, and you can create a report custom way also. Okay, I'm not giving any name, but here you can see computer. Under criteria I am taking this one, and then click on run report. Okay, so you can see every details which are there is coming here now. It will show memory. So it is a good tool basically from which you can collect your inventory as well. You don't need to go anywhere. This single tool is enough for your patching, inventory, software deployment, and other stuff, right? You can copy your files as well. So you can go to this one, computer configuration, right? Configuration, create configuration, and you can select your operation. So let's suppose you want to copy a file. Okay, you can click on this, copy this file through this option, download this. Okay, you can download, you can upload anything, any file, and you can select your machine like this one, and then you can take a filter, computer name, and then you can type a name server1. okay, you can give a name where you want to put this file or copy this file, right, and then you can click on deploy. Simple. So this file will actually go into this computer under in temp folder, like here under in temp folder. So let me create a temp folder. Okay, so that file will populating here once it will be pushed from this side. So this usually takes some time, that is why we are not checking the progress, because it will take so much of time. So we will go all configuration and we'll see all deployments. Visual Studio Code is deploying now, and when we pushed actually, right, when you know, right, when we pushed this one, so it was pushed in the last video, right, and I am creating the another video, and this time it is now showing is in progress. Okay, so now this will take some time, okay, but you can verify that installer is doing something on the control panel. So you can go here, you can say appwidget.cpl, and basically you can see some Visual Studio Code here. You can verify this after some time. Okay, so this is it. I believe this will be very helpful information, and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you please subscribe to this channel. You will get more useful videos on over many tools like Bastion and Manage Engine. So please do subscribe. Thank you. Okay, so in previous videos you see that how you can work on Manage Engine Central, which is a cloud service. Okay, you can use this. Now this time in upcoming video you will see on-premises part. Okay, so we can download this setup and create our machine, okay, which is your endpoint central machine. You can create it, and then under that you can create a distribution server, and in the distribution server we can connect the machines. Okay, so this setup we have already seen. Now upcoming would be on-premises installation. Okay, here you need to have this setup installed on a machine or a server, and you need to manage that machine plus that software manually, so which can be a difficult method. But if you want to go into any banking sector or anywhere, they used to prefer this option because they do not want to expose their machines to outside their organization or their company. Okay, so we'll be exploring this option in next upcoming videos. So I will be uploading those videos, but I need your support and help. So please subscribe my channel, and you can also click on like button, right, and I would say you will see more helpful videos in upcoming sessions. Okay, I'll be keep uploading these kind of videos on my channel, so please keep yourself updated for the latest technologies, and I would be helping you to grow. Okay, but I need your help to subscribe this channel. This is only the thing which I need from your side. Okay, thank you very much for your time. Thank you.